Hi guys, so I am on this massive road trip with a bunch of my friends. We started off in Vegas where we partied like crazy and did a bunch of crazy stuff, and then we went to this place called Garrison, which was in Utah, where we stayed in this retreat for like 3 to 4 days, and it was so much fun. We were literally in the middle of a forest, the Great Basin National Park, with deers outside our rooms, rabbits and all sorts of animals. It was just so beautiful. There was no internet, there was no network, which was the best thing. We all needed an internet detox. I could have filmed there. I mean, I didn't need internet to film there, but I just didn't feel like picking up the camera and start filming there. We went stargazing, we did a bunch of stuff there. We have continued the road trip and now we are in Salt Lake City, and I've just checked into the Airbnb and it is the cutest Airbnb ever. So I just thought, you know what, I'm gonna shoot my vlog from here again. I missed Garrison in the middle, but I hope you guys understand that. I was just having sort of a self-reflecting session, and I'm gonna show you guys the Airbnb now. Come on, let's go. Look at the kitchen, it's so cute. We have a pool table as well. Please look at me. Look at the bathroom. Hi guys, so it's day 2 in Salt Lake City and I'm all decked up. I don't know why am I looking super decked up in this camera, but this is what I am wearing, and this is Alia. Outfit change. We've come to some Liberty Park. I'm back to my comfy spot. Whew, I'm so tired. You know, when you're like chilling and doing whatever, you don't feel so tired, but then when you just lay on the bed and the bed kind of sucks you in. I don't know if that happens with you, but with me, I feel it does. The minute I hit the bed, it's like sinking me in, and I'm just like, oh, I love you. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. Okay, guys, I think I should nap for a bit. I'm not napping for a bit. I'm gonna get up and wash my face, and I'm gonna scrub my lips and do some skincare, lip care and some self-care. So, hi. As you all know that I have been traveling like crazy in these past few months. By crazy, I mean like crazy. I've been to so many places now. I've gone through so much of weather change, temperature change, that I think my body is now immune to change. And touch wood, my skin and my hair don't give me that much of a trouble, regardless of me not taking much care of them. But my lips, can you see it? Is it focusing? Can you see this? They get like really bad. They get really chapped and dry, and to constantly fix them is now easy for me because I found these two products. It's the Namya lip scrub and the Namya lip serum. You know, earlier I was this tomboy who would not even have a lip balm in her pocket, but now I do have a lip balm. Because of my life, that lip balm is not enough. Like it needs more care, which is why this comes to my rescue, and I'm going to show you guys how do I apply the lip scrub. I usually do this every alternate day, but every day is also fine because it's very nice and it's very soothing. So this is how the lip scrub looks. I'm looking like a monkey. It feels like it's healing our lips. Let it sit for about 5 minutes. That's what I do. Can you see the difference? This feels so nourished. Now the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply this. This is the Namya lip serum. After scrubbing, this is a must. My lips are literally thanking me. So good. My lips are feeling so much better. This is amazing. Guys, please buy Namya lip care range. I'm gonna keep this now and head for dinner. Oh my god! So now we have to bake this. Whoa. Hi guys, I was not able to find my camera, but here I have it now, so I'm gonna film now. Today's plan is we're going somewhere really far. I have very little time to get ready, so I'm just gonna go and quickly get ready. Bye bye. We're going to Bountiful Beach. How obsessed I was with Transfer Dance. How did I not know you were the kid? Serious, Transfer Dance was actually like I've seen it like 8 or 9 times. No way! I'm not kidding. Love that movie. Remember your character? I didn't remember it was you. Now I'm a fan. Now I'm like fan. Paparazzi. Now where are we going? Alia. We're going to Himalayan Kitchen Indian restaurant.
What's going on?
Indian restaurant in the house.
Food. Are you satisfied? Are you satisfied?
I'm more than satisfied. Satisfied doesn't do it. I'm fulfilled. Happy birthday to you.
Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god. Guys, this is crazy. Look at this side and look at that side. It's so dark there and nature is just incredible.
Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. This is Aditi Bhatia. So today we are here at Salt Lake City. This is the view. Tourist feel.
Hi guys!
Hi guys. Comment, share and like.
This is so far the craziest thing I've ever done. Just look at that.